Hi guys, we're going to create a cup for pens or something. It looks like that. We're going to use the emboss feature, so let's see how I do it. That's the end product. So we begin by starting untitled document. Let's save it first. Let's save it cup for pen, something like that. And I start by sketching a circle on the XY plane. It's the top plane. I create a circle, let's say 60. Finish sketch. I'm going to extrude it to 80 millimeter, and then I want to make it hollow. I'm going to use this feature. It's the shell feature. I choose the bottom line and I say 2 millimeter shell, so it's create a shell of 2 millimeter inside. Yes, so that's the beginning. Now I want to create this pattern around it. So to create this pattern, I want to create a sketch of the pattern that I want. Create a sketch, and I'll choose this plane. It's the right plane or the YX. Yes, that's one, the right. And I'm going to create, and I choose slot. Slot, which slot do I want? Center to center slot, it's okay. I press once, then second, and then I have a slot. Now we're gonna give it a dimension. The first dimension, I want to give him the angle of this from the X plane. So I show the X plane, and the angle is from here to here. I want it to be 60 millimeter. I want from here to here to be, let's say, 15, and I give from here to here, let's give it 18, and I want from here to here, I want the same as this one. So from here to here, I press, I don't write anything, I just press this one. So it says D7. Now whatever I put here, it copied to here. So for example, I press escape. If I double click here and I say 15, this one will be 15 also. And that's it. That's what I want. I finish my sketch. Now I want this pattern to be on this round surface. So now I go to create. I choose emboss. So I have this menu. The profile that I want to emboss is this one. The face here. And now I can see that it's here. Just put this sketch on this face, and I can choose if I want it to be like that or like that. I wanted to make a hole, so let's make the hole in the right width. It's -2, and I press OK. So now I can see that I have one hole, and I want this hole to be all around. So I'm going to create pattern, circular pattern, and now I can choose several things here. I can choose body, faces, features, or component. I'm going to choose feature. So I want to create this emboss feature several times. So I select feature, and then I go here to my timeline and I select this object. And the axis that I want this axis. Now you can see he put 3. I wanted to put 10. I look, it's a little bit thin, maybe 9 or 8, even 8. It could be 8. like that, and okay. Takes a minute to think, and here we are. And we're almost done. Now I can choose fillet and do fillet here, something like 0.5, and we finish. Actually, we can do anything with this Emboss. We can take a sketch and create a pattern of the sketch. It can be something else. For example, if I want, I can make it a heart or squares or circles or whatever I want. So that's the way I use the Emboss feature.